G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, Car Wash Chronicles. Day number 5, I think. Quiet! Trying to talk, trying to do the intro of the video and he's working too hard. Anyway, let me show what we're doing today. So we're gonna put in, or begin to put in, let me show you, the bill acceptors in each bay. So it's gonna look like this. So that way I can take, of course, coins, bills, and I kind of like having the bills separate off the faceplate from the coins, because when people go to break in, which they will, if the bill acceptor's here, I'm gonna put the credit card here anyway. I'm gonna put the credit card here, but if the bill acceptor was here with the credit card on it and someone broke in and tried to smash it, then everything would be smashed. But if the bill is here separately, then they're either gonna try and break this and that's still good, or they're gonna break this and that's still good. So it's rare they're gonna mess both up. So that's kind of why I like to have them separate. Plus I already had them laying around, so I'll use them and put them in. Comprende? So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're making the hole. We've welded them together. And put 2 holes there for the wires to go through. Time to break out the big boy. Look at this. What are you doing? Nice. Beautiful. Very nice. All right, so like with every remodel, you kind of hit walls, you figure out, what'd you say?
Pie.
So we drilled out the hole and we were gonna put these obviously welded together, slide it in all the way through, but look, there's a pole holding up the car wash. Okay, so we've got to put our brains together. Your brain and my brain equal one brain.
And it turns pinky and the brain.
Pinky and the brain.
I'm the brain, you the pinky.
So obviously I don't want to cut this out because it's holding up the whole structure. So we're just gonna have to take these apart, like this one, and then put this one in. Go ahead, put it in. And it's gonna be sticking out a little bit, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. So it's gonna sit like right there, which actually isn't too bad because I can actually get a lock bar in now. And this still opens up. We're gonna weld it to that, and we're gonna go through the other side and weld it to the pole so there's no way of ripping it out. And you know, just, so that's what it's gonna look like. Sometimes the game plan doesn't go to the way we plan it, but you just gotta make necessary adjustments. And like I said, it's gonna be fine because now I can put a lock bar, whereas if it was flush up against this, I wouldn't be able to. So,
and then we're gonna use the pole to weld it together.
Yeah, that's right. I already said that. We're gonna weld it to the pole. Oh, you got grey hair.
Santa.
So let's see, we did the other side. There's the damage. Punched through. We're gonna weld it to this pole. So it's gonna be pretty dang secure in my eyes. We're gonna weld it here. We're gonna build locks over the face plate of it. Bring it on. It's actually starting to rain. We're gonna work, rain, hail, or shine, and get this car wash done. Because I hate when days go by and we don't do anything. Sitting at home doing nothing. Well,
to stop working.
him anyway. Look who showed up. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
That's our little boy.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, yeah, he loves us.
Yeah.
Want some food? You hungry?
Food, buddy.
Oh, yeah. He's here to help.
Buddy.
He looks dry, so I guess he's sleeping inside somewhere. Come on, let's go. Got some more duck food. There we go. Break it up for him. See if he likes it. Ready? Oh, he's very excited. Very excited. Time for some lunch, I think. Yeah, get comfy then, get comfy. The good thing about this place is not only is the food amazing, it's right next to the car wash, so we just walk over. Ready for my breakfast burrito. Yeah. How much did you order? 4 plates? See? He knows when I pay, he orders a lot. I just get this thing. The moment of truth has arrived. We have officially closed down the car wash and we're putting up the banner. Under remodel, opening soon. Car wash is closed, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Officially closed. And now that the car wash is officially closed down for the next probably 4 or 5 weeks, all this is going. I'm taking all that out. And let me show you what else. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get rid of it all, make a bare wall. This is all going. Stripping all this out. We're gonna use this wire because these run to the bays behind the coin boxes. And that would be a very impossible task to rerun new ones. And these look good. There's enough wire for a 10 function rotary switch. So we're gonna use them, replace all this, get rid of them, replace all this. It's all old and I don't want to start a 15-year lease with old stuff because I want it to be as headache free as possible, obviously. So I got the 2 other pumps off. This is what it looks like. Like I said, I'm using these motors because why not? 2 down there, 2 up here. Nothing. I have that brand new one somewhere. And then I brought another motor, this one, from that car wash that was getting torn down. And I bought the equipment off him. That was from that. So we'll see if that works. But yep, this is it so far. No more hoses coming out of here. Getting ready to get stripped naked. Just punching the hole through. Almost there. Come on. Starting to look a little more naked now. Wires are gone, hoses are gone. Time to take the solenoids off and then we'll get these off. Just like that. They were just all screwed to the wall, so I just went along all 6. Took them all out. Easy peasy. Now let's see what's going on with these. So it's a bit of a tedious job taking all this out because you got to get that little screwdriver and undo all these little ones. 14 by 6, and your fingers start hurting and your shoulders start burning, and Edwin was complaining, so
Never complain.
but we're almost there. You gonna rebuild it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Buddy.
Hi, buddy.
So there it is. That's what we're leaving it as. That's going to go, but we'll leave it for the experienced guy that's going to make that for me because we don't know. But it's good enough. Ready to go. This is looking awfully naked. No more hoses coming from up top. This is stripped bare, cleaned. So this car wash is prepped and ready for new stuff. So that's it for today. Basically just stripping a whole bunch of everything. Hoses, wiring, done. But I'm glad it was done. The next 2 days is going to be exciting. Friday is going to be exciting because my guy's come in and he knows how to install everything. So that's going to be a nice help. And oh, let me show you this. This is what Edwin did. That's welded. That's not going nowhere. It's welded to there. This one's welded. We had to cut it because the big pole, we didn't realize, is running all the way down. Taking my hoses.
Wow, why?
Taking my hoses.
Showing the welding.
So yeah, this is all welded. Hey little man. And yeah, that's crazy. So we've got to still seal around here, fill that in with concrete. And ladies and gentlemen, that ain't going nowhere. So there you have it. I'm gonna wrap this video up right now. So watch another one of my videos. If Edwin's in it, if he's not in it, don't worry about it. Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.
See you next time, guys. Thank you.